In 1949, Hazel Park Raceway opened, and for many years was the only horse track in Michigan offering live thoroughbred racing. Over the years, as the community changed, Hazel Park Raceway fell on hard times, and the city struggled with a diminishing tax base, of which Hazel Park Raceway had at one point represented a third of their revenue. In 2018, the track closed, and the remaining horse stables were cleared to make way for new warehouse space. Ashley Capital LLC, a leading commercial real estate investment company based in New York, has invested millions of dollars in developing and managing new business parks in Michigan and surrounding states. The company is actively working to revitalize distressed brownfield properties like the former Hazel Park Raceway, bringing tax relief and opportunities to communities like Hazel Park. In 2015, Ashley Capital worked with their geoprofessional SME to develop a remedial plan for the Hazel Park 120-acre parcel, purchased with the intention of developing the property into industrial and warehouse space and renaming it the Tri-County Commerce Center.
We're taking a site that is less desirable, environmentally challenged, if you will. We have scraped it down, redeveloped it so that it's a usable site again. In turn, Hazel Park is benefiting from a new development which will stimulate jobs within their city.
The site posed multiple challenges with elevated levels of methane and contaminated soil present, representing costs associated with environmental cleanup and foundation issues relating to insufficient load-bearing capacity.
We created a kind of a unique profile where normally the vapor barrier will go directly under the building slab, but here we're putting 8 inches of 21 AA and then the building slab, which gives us a buffer area for utilities, but then also gives us a structural component so that we can run concrete trucks on top of the barrier itself and avoid that extra charge from the pumping of the concrete.
Well, the first project we did with Land Science was with the GeoSeal product in Hazel Park Building Number 1. And that was a multi-layer spray application, so the installation time was quite a bit different than what we're seeing here. Here we have a single layer of membrane with a geotextile fabric for protection on top of it. The installation is much quicker.
MonoShield was chosen again for speed and price. We've been able to pick up several months of construction by moving forward with this MonoShield system. It's really easy to implement, and the municipalities and jurisdictions really like it.
What MonoShield does really nicely is on a site where the contaminants are compatible, you can really roll out and get the efficiencies of a prefab barrier system, but at the same time the flexibility and the responsiveness of a spray-applied component for sealing penetrations, wall terminations, and seams.
Our modified GeoSeal system, the fastest our certified applicators were able to install that, was about an average of 15,000 square feet a day. And with MonoShield, we're anticipating closer to 40,000 to 50,000 square feet of material every day. So on something like this, in the 500 to 600,000 square foot range, that saves a lot of time.
MonoShield incorporates a new advanced composite sheet and a continuous layer of aluminum encased in low-permeance flexible polymers. Sheets are seamed using a unique spray-applied nitrile rubber, offering an order of magnitude better resistance to contaminant vapors when compared to other spray-applied asphalt latex materials.
The construction duration here is between 12 and 14 months, and at Tri-County we're looking to turn this project over in December of 2019. The Land Science team has been awesome to work with. We pushed them hard, and they have met all of our goals and objectives to date.